Hi, Michelle.
If you have had a transplant yourselves, please can you both tell me your experience and how it's affected your confidence?
I first got a hair transplant when one of my patients actually recommended it to me, saying, "Doctor, your hair doesn't look great." So that was kind of a telling moment for myself. And also my mum kept having a go at me saying, "You're young, you shouldn't be receding." So it was a time when I had to get it done. And I can show you, this is what I looked like before my hair transplant. As you can see, I clearly needed a hair transplant. And the things that were affecting me beforehand without me realizing subconsciously is that I wasn't taking any selfies. Even in group photos, I was always at the end. When my first child was born, a year before my hair transplant, I was actually taking pictures from an angle just so you can't see any of my recession. Those things you do without actually realizing you do it. And also you tend to keep away from swimming pools, because when you're going on holiday or on the beach, you don't want to see wet hair looking even worse. All these things I was doing without actually realizing, because I am a confident person, as you may know. However, even confident people's confidence is affected by not having great hair or looking the best as you can. And it's like your teeth. If your teeth don't look great, you fix it. And so it's the same thing. If you feel like you need to fix your hair and maintain a look, now I would do anything to maintain this look, because the amount of confidence it's given me, and I can speak confidently to anyone. I can take pictures. I don't really mind anyone taking pictures from anyone. You may well know me doing more of my social media videos and things like that. So it's massively impacted me, and I'm sure Sam can tell you probably have a similar kind of experience.
Very similar. Ultimately for myself, it is a confidence thing for sure. I think anyone that's experiencing hair loss, you do the standard things. You grow your hair a certain length, you style it a certain way. You wear hats, you wear fibres, and all those things are great, but they're ultimately just masking a problem. You're not actually addressing the issue. So for me personally, it was one of those things that I was hiding very well, and not many people knew that I needed it. But every day when you sort of you're styling your hair in a certain position, it definitely does get you down. And just like Dr. Matee just mentioned there, getting your hair wet, I can remember many times where I've been on holiday and I'm avoiding getting myself going into the pool and whatever else. So confidence-wise, can't really fault it. It's one of the best things I've ever done, and it definitely makes you feel so much better about the situation.
I remember when Sam first came, he was one of our early patients at KSL in Kent, and now his confidence has risen so much. He's now joined the firm. He's been doing a great job advising other people about hair loss and sharing his experience and helping lots of people, and that's what all this is about. This is the kind of profound impact it has on people.